today I'm gonna share with you how to cook carbonara, one of my favorite pasta and the easiest way to cook it. How to cook carbonara. So these are the ingredients. Minced garlic, chopped onion, bacon, Parmesan cheese, salt, pepper, thick cream, at syempre, ang spaghetti noodles. Ayan, nagpakulo na ako ng tubig. Meron na din siyang salt at saka oil para hindi magdikit-dikit yung noodles. So, it's time. Ayan. Aantayin mo lang siyang kumulo hanggang sa maluto yung noodles. Ayan, kumukulo na siya. So, halu-haluin lang natin para hindi siya magdikit-dikit. And then, it will take like 8 to 10 minutes bago talaga siya fully maluto. Ayan. Haluin natin ng kaunti para ma-check kung luto na. Then, kapag luto na yung pasta nyo, i-drain nyo na siya. So, first step, heat the fry pan. Then, add oil. A little bit lang. Then, after that, bacon. So, you have to cook the bacon until it becomes golden brown. So now, it's already a golden brown. So we will put it aside. And we will add the garlic. Then onion. Then the garlic is already sauté and onion, so you will mix it with bacon. Then add the thickened cream. Let it simmer for a few minutes. Then we will add a little bit of salt, pepper. Salt. Then the Parmesan cheese. Then mix it. Okay, so we will try the finished product.